parents na sa Marawi. So pagpano, they are really from Barangay 23. And iba-iba ang mga documents kasi ipagirato mga birth certificate. So iba-ibang mga documents.
Ganito yan eh. He must be invoking the law doon sa 15-year-old. Ganon. That does not apply because itong mga minors na ito were utilized by criminals. So we have every right not really to detain but to take into custody the minors. Diyan lang sa iyo, huwag kang pumayag because a lawyer does not have any business taking custody of a client or clients who are minors utilized by the drug syndicate as parang mules, ginawang mules.
So what we did, ipangita na mo, giving consideration sa ilang presentation sa Davao, we requested for a parenting capability if the parents are really in Marawi. So we received the parenting capability, but we also do, ang social worker natin naghanda sa community sa Barangay 23, we also did our part in terms of ipangita ang yun, i-validate.
Sabi mo sa kanila, you get the clearance from the mayor. Sabi ni mayor sa amin, we take custody of the children.
That's why
Kung sino sasabihin mo lang, whoever, whatever, because of the minority of the children, age, it's about 15, below 15 yun. So obviously, they are taking custody or want the custody of the children because walang criminal liability, and that's the folly there. But they are not criminals to us. They are minors, and we take them into custody as a matter of public interest for their welfare. Hindi criminal ang sa kanila, sabihin mo.
That's why sir, yung proposal na i-take mag-involuntary, we will file involuntary commitment sa mga bata para yung custody, para sa state, yung isa na ano.
Whatever, magsunod ka lang sa prosecutors. Pero paski sinong magpa-release niyan, sabihin mo, mag-clear kayo kay Mayor Duterte para matapos ng istorya.
Ang nakakatakot kasi baka sinungaling masyado yung bata.
Baka?
Masyadong sinungaling.
Wow.
Talaga, so kailangan talagang dumaan sa proseso ng rehabilitation.
There's a diversion there. Meron ang fiscal, there's a diversion there for minors, parang ganon. Ginamit kasi, so obviously natatrauma yan kasi hinuli ninyo. Kaya maraming papasok dyan, habeas corpus, o they would, interesado yan sila makuha. Ang sindikato, gusto nila kunin lang yung mga bata kasi yun ang magtuturo eh. Sabihin mo lang, sabi ni Mayor, maski ano pa raw, mag-clear sila lahat. Whether it is the judge, the lawyer, or the police, tell them to clear it up with me. Okay? Ang unang lumabas kasi niyan is hoax. Was it not? Yeah, it was bruited about that it was a hoax. Now, nakita ng anti-kidnapping task force ay hindi pa masyado clear sa akin kung how it came about na nakita siya. He was found or he was retrieved or he was rescued, whatever. Sabi ko sa kanila, you just complete the investigation. Hindi naman dapat pumunta yan dito sa hotel. Kaya lang ang consul ng Japan humabol sa akin dito. I had dinner upstairs. Humabol dito. Kaya humabol na lang rin yung task force, dala-dala yung allegedly. Parenthesis ka na lang dyan. Kidnap victim. Hindi pa natin sigurado. And I do not want to speculate whether it was really a put on or whether it was a mock kidnapping or kidnap me or whatever. It would not be fair for me to speculate. We deal only with facts and what is the truth. As of this time, the truth is not very clear to us. So we do not speculate.
Pero hindi sa Davao ito nangyari.
Nangyari yan labas ng Davao sa Cotabato.
Hindi din siya dito.
Maguindanao, sama nga.
Hindi din siya dito na rin.
Hindi rin. Kaya lang ang consul nga humabol dito kasi sa akin. Dinala na lang dito.
Pero ikaw yung nilapitan ng consul?
Yes, earlier, 2 months ago, yung consul nagipag-usap dito rin and reported to me about the kidnapping of a national by the name of Nakamura. Ang initial ng ano is the Hawks kidnap me. Marunong magsalita ng Tagalog. Pati siguro Maguindanao. Hindi man mayaman yun.
Nag-engage ng mining?
Negosyo niya.
They are all over. I think it was parang sawmill, something.
Pero may hiningi bang ransom?
Hindi pa klaro eh. Hindi nagsasalita itong gagon to.
Ang perpetrators, Mayor, ang kidnappers.
The usual. If it's a kidnapping, then the usual. Ano ka man sa... na ay katong mga bata nga nadakpan, may mga droga, ginawang courier. So ngayon, gusto nang because of their minority, pumunta itong abogado nila na kunin. Kasi nga, you have to present the birth certificate. But more than that, itong mga bata ito, they're being used as mules, mga couriers ng droga. So we are detaining them not because they're criminals, but because they are minors. And to protect the minors, especially the welfare of the minors, the state has every right to take them into custody. So papasok na yan dyan. Pressure, habeas corpus, mga ano. Sabi ko sa police man yun si Ruina. Sabi ko, pati sa social workers, not to release and to clear it with me. Bahaski sino dyan, bahaski mag-judge, mag-issue, clear it with me.
Taga-Barangay 23 yun sila.
Taga Marawi daw eh. Parang ginamit dito ba? Kaya nga sabi ko, there are so many excuses to you can invent one every minute if you want.
Mayor, reaction ng mayor kay nagliso do ang kapulisan dako sa mga nagpalayo ni ini kay Mark. Dili gid man ug ng mga bata.
Makakong gidaw? Well, we'll see. Tingnan natin. Anong gawin ng polis. Si police matter.
Mayor, say dapat i-amend sa night market nga i-under review man siya.
Umbot. Kibaw, ana. Gumaon. Ba na siguro day and night na. Hindi ko talaga alam. Unlib ako eh.
Mayor sa line
Katong kay Pulong o kay Vice Mayor Pulong o kay
Kat Dalisay, Mayor.
Event organizer.
Na found out
Daghan daw mga violation.
mayor nga wala sila nagbayad ng taxes niya.
Daghan violation.
Dahil violation.
Oh.
Niya. Pag question sa iya nga gi murag bad mouth siya sa mga councilors mo mga councilors na react.
Kinsa nagbaut. Kinsa man na.
Itong pretty girl. Carte blanche, tsaka ano.
What is this all about?
Murag rave party.
Party sa Mayor na
Party siya sa Crocodile Park area.
daghan na violation.
Gusto bangit I was able to I got parang saan ngita kuan exemption sa amusement tax. Tapos
Previous nilang engagement sa city last December.
wala ang bayad.
Found out na wala ning bayad. Dahil siya violation ng mga minors niya. There was suspected sale daw of marijuana and ecstasy.
Ano na lang, let's go legal. Why don't they just pay the 30% tax period? Ako, I'm recommending to the city council, deny and ask them to pay the right taxes. Kasi yung parang beneficiary na Padre Pio, it's a strange planet to me. And hindi natin malaman kung magkano talaga ang maibigay sa... I'm not saying it's fictitious, but whether or not it would really be a benefit to them, if that's an entity that's existing, I am not sure. The better part of prudence is just to tax them 30% para kikita ang syudad.
About silang mga violation niya.
Previous na unpaid mayor na ma-amusement
The city treasurer kanong collect few months and they can file cases against them.
Mayor ka ng paggamit o yung mga kadayawan sa mga event nga wala na nanghisa.
Kadayawan invasion daw, Mayor.
The word kadayawan?
Asa market.
Kadayawan,
Finance mayor nga
Kadayawan
magamit ka sa word na kadayawan during kadayawan event, malangit ka sa city.
Correct. That is a legal entity. It's actually a foundation, and it has every right to to protect the name and not to be used for nefarious activities. Okay?
Mayor, reaction sa sunod-sunod na pag-atake sa mga NPA
Asa?
sa
Caraga rin.
Hindi ba mo nang ponggan? Ang undang na mahurot na ilang bala?
Mayor, pagkagundik sa nagpatay ni Konseha Kalumping.
Convicted? Murder? Well, that's justice.